So it's me, Planet Marbasia. If you want to know how I did this look, then pay more attention to this video. This is just a test look for what I want to do, a kind of bird look, because I was inspired when I got pooped on this morning, or whenever you see this. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to use a glue stick to lay my eyebrows flat. Now my eyebrows are laid flat with glue stick and primed with baby powder. I am now priming my eyelids with a light shade to make sure that the colours come out vividly. Using my Dusk Till Dawn eyeshadow palette from MUA, I'm using the colour Kazini to focus from the inner corners of my eyelids to the middle. Now focusing on the outer eyelid, I'm using the colour Carpo from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go up into my crease with that and also blend that in with the same Kazini. For a sharper look, I'm using masking tape so that I can go in with the colour Titan for a winged look. Remember, I'm a bird. Darkening the inner sockets with that same colour Titan, I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose also. Now using the colour Listeria, I'm adding a nice shimmery blue to the inner sockets of my eyes, and I'm also going to go underneath my eyes also as a liner. Using my Rimmel Scandal Eyes Rocking Curves, I'm applying now mascara. I love this mascara. It always gives you full fake lash look. Time to take that tape off. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange, I am now going over dark spots, and I'm also using this as a sort of highlighter. Kinda, colour correction, what have you. Using my shade of foundation, I'm now applying that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend that out with a Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Time to highlight my nose with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the colour Fawn. I'm doing a very thin line, and I'm going to also use this colour underneath my eyes to highlight too. Using my sponge to blend. I just thought to put it out there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment. And if you have any ideas on what I should do next, any suggestions, please let me know. You can imagine when I was walking on my way to work, I was really peed off when I got pooped on by a bird. I had to go home to get changed because basically it was all over my shirt. No, it was not a pretty look at all. Was not impressed. Using my Illusion palette, eyeshadow palette from MUA, I'm going to now contour my nose. It's a very harsh contour, I know, but birds have beaks and they look sharp and harsh. You feel me though? So I'm going to blend that out just a little, and then I'm going to go over my highlighted nose again just to give it a more dramatic look. I'm going to also highlight my chin and a little bit on my cheeks all over again. Now using a shimmer highlighter from Makeup Academy, it's actually called Undress Your Skin. I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose, forehead, my cheekbones and chin, oh, and also my cupid's bow, just to give my face that fresh, just been born, cracked out another egg, evil pigeon look. Now using the same Illusion palette, I'm going to use Seraphic Entrance and Adore to give myself a sharper contour and make my face look a lot more slimmer and kind of bird-like. I just want this look to look very shimmery and pretty and feminine. Measuring up those feathers. Now I did most of this off camera because my camera was dying and I needed to save the battery life, but I'm using liquid latex to apply the feathers onto my face, and there you have it. The look is almost done. Almost. I need to do my lips next. I use a red pigmented lipstick, and then I use a lithium from the eyeshadow collection of MUA Dusk Till Dawn to give myself a little middle bit.